Hi, my name is Dr. Cal, and I'm the founder of Hair Force. Hair Force is a group of passionate individuals who are hair professionals and who also support democracy, freedom, and who are against oppression. Currently, Russians are oppressing Ukrainians, and we don't stand for that. So we are collecting funds for Air Force so that we can buy military drones and help Ukraine defend their freedom, defend democracy, and fight the oppressors. Donate whatever you can and participate in whichever way you want. We're a nonprofit based out of Boston, Massachusetts, but currently I'm here in Windsor, Canada.